Good, good morning guys, welcome to another drive. And today, nanatala rin patong sa Cebu South Coastal Road. And wala, our topic for today is probably, I will say, Cebu Pacific. The Cebu Pacific will be celebrating their 30th year na. 30 years ng Cebu Pacific ba eh? Karong buwan na in a week. Tingali, ano sa din ako i-post. But yes, March 2026. So I think the first flight was in March 8, 1996. So Montina, if I'm right, from Manila to Cebu. Umana, 30 years of Cebu Pacific. Sa una, lingaw siya kay sila ang budget airline, ang ilang kuan ba, no frills kaysa una nang ni pagkaon ng aeroplano kuno ni sandwich. Sila no frills tagaan kag cheapy tingali lipay nakatagaan kag cheapy karon gali wa na gyud cheapy palit na ka. But yes, what they basically made let everyone fly or everyone fly. So it's like a play words, pero they made everyone fly without. And a lot of people now, I mean the younger generations, pinaka ng mga tao since 1996. So normally the first ever plane ride was via Cebu Pacific. Diba? A lot of Cebu Pacific memories. Pasabot pa ko ano Cebu Pacific sa una na pa ko, I think college pa, in my last few years of college, dayon so panikuana na una pati Grand Air na pati Philippine Airlines of course, pero mauna ba ang Cebu Pacific has been with us for 30 years. Imagine that, diba? Grabe ng transition. Sa una they were like a small player and they became like a big player. They're really a disruptor at that time, and na break ng dominance in a way sa PAL. Sorry sa uyog na daan, but ano na itong daan, uyog. Na-break ng dominance sa PAL. Mao na lisod ana mao na improve ng dati. Na-break nila ang dominance sa PAL dayon. I mean, up to now, they're, I guess, when it comes to passengers, sila ang pinakadaghan. Diba? There is a Pilipinas. And it's paano sa Pilipinas ba? Somehow, as more Filipinos fly, tungod sa nagdagang flights ng Cebu Pacific, na-improve sa itong mga airports. Diba, nagkanong and I guess we're thankful for that. Tungod sa ana, more and more Filipinos can fly, abroad, and with the competitive pricing. So di na mo mahal, wala kayo ni mahal, patuyang ang mahal sa airfare. Pero nasan ka po yung destinations mo, reklamo mga tao, ano ko mura. Pero mag-abroad ng mga presyo, sama lang, Siargao, sama lang. But yeah, depende gina sa panahon guys, walang usahin book early. Pero wala yun, hindi pang yung tanan makabook early, yung mga emergency, what if dili yun na bakasyon lang tripping, di ba? What if yun, nasa ligihan to rito, na pamilya, bisita, unsa, di ba? Pero wala, somehow, yun lang good ko ba na reklamo mga tao ng anong mahal kuan biyahe sa Pilipinas, but kumpara nimo sa una, mas daghan na rin makabiyahe wala na akong maingon. And yes, we're thankful sa Cebu Pacific. We congratulate them because they're amazing. I mean, amazing nga po na tanaw Cebu traffic by in the morning, they're in Napita. Pero they're amazing. Para lang ako amazing yun ang Cebu Pacific sana. They somehow survive, diba? And very competitive na airline market, ng financial crisis, ng what. And then from ups and downs, diba? Naadre, naagapon survive sila, and they are definitely one of the when it comes to the travel industry, thankful na dapat na nila, diba? So bitaw na, unsa yung Cebu Pacific memories, di ba? Ako, for example, Cebu Pacific, with them, nakalupad ko pa doon sa, San Vicente, Palawan, for example, mga 2 years ago. So, it was a nice destination. Beautiful place. Something na kinahanglan pa i-discover, something sa nakinahanglan nato suwayan ninyo. And I think there are a lot of destinations na Cebu Pac na kuan, di ba? Dominating. Recently when I went to Manila, I flew to Manila, like Cebu Pacific. Di ba? Ang lingaw ni kuan karon is sa may lingaw ron na kuan. Wala gyud malay, no frills. I mean, also may sometimes ba di mo matter ang snacks mo 1 hour ang flight, and with nicer airports now like sa Cebu, hindi na ka mukaon diha although mas mahal gamay ba balik ba, I mean you can eat what you want. I mean hilig mag-crave kag lechon na sa airport, mag-crave kag siomai na sa airport, mag-crave kag steam rice na sa airport, mag-crave kag ribs na sa airport, na sa Mactan Cebu International Airport. Even Jollibee, if you crave for Jollibee is in the airport. So wala. Nadili na, it's not surprising, it's not crazy. Na ganong kuha na ba na you can eat pagkabot sa Limog Manila na magkaon dito, di ba? So dili kayo mo matter especially mga lagi 1 hour trips or 1 hour and 30 minutes na trip. So malay ko na to ba. And share me your Cebu Pacific memories, and to our friends from Cebu Pacific na mga nakatrabaho or in the airline industry, from pilots to flight attendants to even ground crew or kind of maintenance staff, engineers, tig-ayo, or even the baggage handlers. Congratulations, diba? And happy 30th anniversary. Mao na natadiri sa itong destination. Nawa na itong pulis, diba? Mao na. At wala rin may hinayan, musulod ta, we're gonna park. But yes, we thank you. And hopefully you can share your Cebu Pacific memories. It was a fast drive, by the way. So we're landing now. Kuan na. It was an easy flight. This wala kay kuan ay turbulence, pero yeah, it was just sayo pa going south, why problema early morning. Pero going north or going back to the city, kita mo to na traffic na area. Pero wala, anyway, mga lang Cebu rush hour traffic na to, and now we're here at Amalfi Oasis. And we thank you so much for joining me on this trip. So hope to see you on our next drives. And keep safe, and salamat sa pagtanaw yun. Mawag na ako yun na bye. Parking ka. Okay, so wala biyahe niya. Bye.